My journey at BGCA began here about 8 years ago. Right from the very beginning, one of the things that really impressed me about the school, and I felt a strong confirmation that this is where God had placed me, was just the sense of community and the sense of family.
So my journey here actually began in 2011 as a kindergarten room mom. Just volunteering and just learning about BGCA and what it was all about. And I fell in love with the school. And God just blessed me to be able to begin teaching here and then eventually move into leadership here.
I started teaching here 11 years ago. My favorite part, I would say, is being able to share about Jesus, being able to pray. I love that we're all one big family. The teachers support each other. We work well together, and the families work well with us too.
My journey began by going up to the third floor and getting a packet of information on the middle school here at Bowling Green Christian Academy. We decided that it was the Lord's will for her to enroll here, and so we enrolled her and just continued to pray and just leaned on the Holy Spirit to show us that it was the right decision. And almost a year later, we have now re-enrolled for our second year, and we couldn't be more happier.
My journey began in kindergarten at BGCA. I was immediately welcomed in the class and I made so many friends. I'm now in 7th grade, and my favorite thing about BGCA is that you're constantly in His Word and everyone around you is encouraging you. The parents, the teachers, and the students.
My journey began in 6th grade back in 2012. Probably a word that comes to BGCA that comes to mind is family. A lot of people that have been here, past and present, have been kind of a family for me, like a second family. That goes from staff to students to coaches, athletics on the basketball team and stuff like that. But it gives me a place to share what I really am compassionate about, and it's got a soft spot for me, so it really is close to home.
We are an independent, non-denominational school, which simply means we teach Jesus. We are all about making disciples.
We believe in Christian education, so we have a tuition assistance program because we want to make Christian education accessible to as many families as we possibly can.
Our mission is to provide students a Christian education that encourages commitment to Jesus Christ, academic excellence, high moral character, and service to others.